This question says, a cube and a cuboid of the given measurements are made of the same material. Which of them is heavier? Is it A, the cube, B, the cuboid, or is it C, they are the same weight? So again, the only difference between A and B is that A is a cube, which means it's composed of faces with equal length sides, and B is a cuboid. So instead of square faces like we have in a cube, we actually have rectangular faces. And that's why in A, with the cube, we can see the length, width, and height are all equal to A, whereas A in the cuboid is actually the length of this diagonal here, as well as the height. So with that said, the most important thing to note from the question is that these objects are made of the same material. And if they're made of the same material, they have the same density, which means the heavier object is the one with a greater volume. So if we observe, again in the cuboid, the length A is equal to the length of the diagonal. So we can imagine superimposing the cuboid into the cube. So we can try to illustrate that here. And we can see that the volume of the cube is actually much larger than that of the cuboid. You can see there are these regions here, which are not occupied by the cuboid, but are occupied by the cube. Mathematically, this works out to actually having about double the volume. And if A has double the volume, well then it's certainly going to be heavier than B. And therefore, the correct answer is A.